guys, so I promised you a alternate card for the paper pumpkin, and so I've got some pieces out from the kit from February called Lovely Day, and it's got some really cute ideas on here, and I have some birthdays coming up. So I'm going to do this blue card right here. I do not have the blue sequins, although that would be really, really cute. I'm pretty sure it's in my storage and not accessible. So I will not be using blue sequins, but I do have the pink sequins that it came with. So I'll be using that. So I'm going to start with this piece right here. And I'm just going to make sure you can see. Yep, okay. Sorry, the lighting is not very good, but... So I'm going to start with this piece. I'm going to cut it down. I'm not really going to measure. I'm just going to eyeball it. You just want to have a square. So I'm going to cut the bottom off. Oops. My paper cutter got a little, what's the word? Dull from cutting a chipboard earlier. So I probably shouldn't have done that. Better. And so I have this piece I'll save for another card. Set that aside. And then I'm going to trim the bottom part as much as I can. It's okay if some of this is showing because we're going to cover this part up with the cake. So you won't even see this part right here. So just trim it evenly so it's about the same as the other side. And you can save that piece for something else as well. Perfect. So we've got this square. That's the only cutting that we're going to need to do. And this is a copycat, so it may not look exactly the same, and that's okay. And if you have some twine, that would be good too. I did not get it out. Shame on me. So this is a shaker card. So the first thing you're going to want to do is put your acetate on the back. Okay, and we're just going to cut a piece of this clear acrylic acetate. Looks like about a 3.5, well, a 3 by 3 should do it. So, cut that. And I think Stampin' Up sells this stuff, but you could also find it in scrapbook stores, other big box stores. So, cute shaker card. I love shaker cards. I have a couple, like I said, I have a couple birthdays coming up. You can use glue dots, which are really handy for putting acetate on. So, I have some I was going to say acetate, but I have some glue dots. That's what I was going to say. I'll grab a sheet that I already have some taken off of it. So, and I'm going to put those in the back here, maybe a couple per side, 2 over here. Sometimes the paper just peels off and you could just stick it like that. Let's do a couple more here. And a couple more here. All right. Then you want to take off the paper off of the glue dot. It's like double-sided tape, right? Okay, then you're ready for your acetate. So I'm just going to stick that on the back. There we go. Then, in order to make this a shaker card, we just need to put some foam strips on the back. And you can use, they do have circle ones they sell. Stampin' Up! Sells them in the shape of a circle. I think this was left over from a kit. So I just thought I will just use what I already have. I'm just going to cut little strips and make sure they are connected and just go around. I did it in about 1-inch pieces. And I'll hold this up and show you. But you need to make sure that they are connected, otherwise the little sequence will fall out if it's not. And it looks like I might need one more piece here. Actually, probably 2 more pieces. And then you're gonna peel off the, hang on, little piece here. Oops, a little too big there. There we go. All right, so you can go ahead and peel those off now. So once they're stuck, just take the top. It's like a sticker, right? You're just gonna peel those off. Go all the way around here. And then before you stick it, obviously, you're gonna put your sequins inside or whatever you have for shaker. And they sell some cute things for shakers, like little phyllo things, or you can use sequins. I've seen some really cute stuff out there. But I'm just going to use what I have. And that was the sequins that came in the kit. You can also stamp the cake. That'd be cute, like an extra piece of cake, and stick it in there. That would be really cute too. Oops, I forgot. You want to put the sequins on the card part because when you flip it over, that's what happens. It all falls out. So, whoops, you want to pile it up on your card is what you want to do. Sorry, I had a brain lapse. Been drinking a little bit of wine tonight. My friend and her husband went to a winery and made their own wine and gave us a bottle. It was so good. Thank you, Angie. And so my brain is not working as fast as it normally does. All right. So there's your sequins piled up on your card, right? And then you want to turn this over and put this where you want it. And for me, I'm going to just kind of off center it. It's not going to be centered. You're